Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jadadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths classes. Okay, so let's get started. Today we are going to cover area. Yesterday we did perimeter. So today let's see how to find the area of a figure. Okay. Uh, this is another concept which is area. Now here it's written use two squares and arrange them in different ways to form different shapes. Okay, so we have to use only two squares. One, two, together. One, two, together. One, two, together. And one, two like this. Do you think there is any other possibility? Just by just using two squares, you can make any other shape, or you can arrange these two squares in any other way. No, you cannot. Okay. So here, what is common in all these shapes? All these shapes occupy the same space. Be it here, this one, these two, or these two. All of them are occupying the same space. Those shapes formed by them are different, but all of them are occupying the same space. Now we will be using three squares and we'll arrange them in different ways to form different shapes. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, so over here, this is the first one. Three squares in sleeping line. This is the second one. Three squares in standing line means the vertical line. Then three diagonally. These three. So with three, you can, you can arrange them in different ways. But two, you have limited options. But with three, there are other possible ways as well. Okay. Now these are other three, right? So here, though the shapes formed are different, but all of them occupy the same space, right? Now, 3 by 3, which is equal to 9, 9 squares are needed. How many small squares are needed to fill the given space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares are needed to fill this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares. Because this has 3 rows. 3 by 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay? Here, 6 by 3 means 6 columns here and 3 rows. I can see column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 columns and 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. 18 squares are needed, right? You don't even need to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't need to count that. You just count the number of rows, number of columns. Just multiply them. You will get how many squares are needed. The same thing happened here. So 3 rows here and 3 columns. Column 1, 2, 3. Row 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. 9 squares are needed. Okay? Like this. All right, that's how you have to do it. Now, if we consider the smallest square as one unit, we can express the space in terms of smaller squares. Now, can you tell me how many squares are needed to fill in the given space? Just count the number of rows and columns. So as you can see here, this is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 columns are there. So first is columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 rows. So 13 times 7, 13 rows and 13 rows and 13 columns and 7 rows are there, which is equal to 91 squares. You don't need to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that is equal to 91 squares. 91 squares are needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And if I talk about the rows, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 times 7 is 90. Okay. Now, find the space in this figure. Here, this is 10 meters and this is 8 meters. Okay. 10 meters means this is divided into 10 units, like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that, 10. And this is 8. What will be the area? The space inside it, the area. How will you calculate? Yeah. So here, 10 times 8, which is 80 square meters. 10 times 8, which is 80 square meters, which we can also call as the area of this rectangle. Okay. The length times its width. That's why, like, we did this first, this one, to explain you why, how this is happening. Okay. It's not directly I'm telling you that, you know, you just need to multiply length times breadth. No, no. With that figure, I explained you that you have to take number of columns, number of rows, times them, and you will get the area. So space occupied by any figure is called as the area, which is this inside region, the region enclosed by the line segments. Okay. It's inside the closed figure. That is called as area. Now find the area of this figure. So this is 25 meters and this is 10 meters. Come on. Okay, I hope it's done. So 25, what we will do here is 25 times 8. If I'll do 25 times 10, because this is 10, no? So 25 times 10, if I do, it's very easy to multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000. What you have to do is, it's very simple. Just take that number, and if you're multiplying by 10, there is one extra zero, put 10, 0. That's how you do it. 25 like that only. And 25 times 10, 25 like that only, and one extra zero, 250. Okay, so 25 times 10 is 250, but don't forget to write the unit. Actually, here, uh, let me tell you one thing. If you see this one, area is always calculated in square units. If it's meter, because you are doing 10 times 8. 10 meter times 8 meters. So here meters is also getting multiplied, so it's meters square. The area is always calculated in square units. Perimeter is not. Okay. So if it's 25 meters and 10 meters here, so 25 times 10 is 250 meters square. Okay. Now, next, 8 meters and 6 meters. Find the area. Okay, so here I hope it's done because it's very easy. 8 meters times 6 meters, which is equal to 48 meters square. 8 meters times 6 meters is 48. 8 times 6 is 48, or 6 times 8 is 48. So 48 meters square. Next one, 12 meters is this, and then 9 meters. 12 length, 9 breadth, 12, 9. 12 meters and 9 meters. Okay, so here you have to do uh like this, 12 meters times 9 meters. So 12 times 9 is 108 meter square. It's meter square. 108 meter square. That's the area. So you can write area of the rectangle is 108 meters square. Okay. Next one. This is 30 meters and this is 12 meters. 30 meters and 12 meters. So I hope it's done. Now let's see what is the area of this figure. 30 times 12. Area, you have to write like area is equal to 30 meters times 12 meters. Now, 12 times 3, like don't feel like the number is very big, so it's very difficult to do. No, it's not like that. 12 times 3, you have to do 12 times 3. 12 times 1 is 12, times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36. Just write 36. And do you remember this 0? We did not take that earlier, but now we will put this 0 here. So it is 360 meter square. 12 times 3 we did, which is 36. And then this extra 0, which was with 3. So 360 meters square is the area. Let's do the next one, 40 meters and 25 meters. Again, you have to do the same way. Come on. 40 meters and 25 meters. All right, let's do it. So here it's 40 times 25 because area is equal to 40 meters times 25 meters. Okay, so 25 times 4 I will do. 25 times 1 is 25, times 2 is 50, times 3 is 75, and 25 times 4 is 100. Okay, and there is one more zero. One more zero is there, which I'm going to put here, which is now 1000 meters square. 40 times 25 is 1000 meters square. Okay, next one, 50 meters times 18 meters. So 50 meters times 18 meters, because we are calculating the area. So area is equal to 50 meters times 18 meters. So if I do 5 times 18 or 18 times 5, which is equal to 90. 5 and 18, 90. Then there is one zero extra, which I'll put here. So it will become 900 meters square is the area of this rectangle. Okay. So children, we are done with area. Just a recap of the last class, like perimeter. If we talk about the perimeter of the square, it's 4 times 8, which is 32 centimeter. Do you remember yesterday we did perimeter? I hope you practiced. So 4 times 8 is 32. 32 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. Now, if I cut small square of 2 centimeter in each corner, from each corner, if I cut square of 2 centimeter, what is the new perimeter? May I know, please? Please calculate and let me know. Because this will be 4, this will be 2, 2, because from here it is cut now. So 2, 2, 4, 4. Wait, this is 2 only. Uh, Wait, 4 here. Hold on. 4, 2, 2, 2. I have changed. Okay, this. This. Do this. So here it's like this. Have a look. This 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus like 2 times 8. Why? Because 8 is 2 times. Sorry, 2 is 8 times. That's why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8, 4 times, 8 times. So perimeter is 32 centimeter and there is no change in the perimeter. All right. So that's how it goes. Okay. So with this, dear children, we are done with our today's class. Thank you so much for joining the class. I hope you understood whatever we have done. Uh, as I always say, keep practicing because practice will make you perfect. If you have any doubts, any questions, let me know in the comment section because now this live session is going to end. Yeah. This is a very good opportunity for you all. This is a live session. So if you have any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the real time so that I can solve your doubts. Okay. The live chat box is a great way to interact. Yeah, with this, we are done. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day. Bye.